Hey, so if Brave keeps showing annoying notification pop-ups or random websites keep asking for permission, yeah, it can get distracting really fast. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave notification pop-ups step by step. Alright, first, click the menu in the top right corner and open Settings. Now go into Privacy and Security. This is where all site permissions are controlled. Scroll down and click Site and Shield Settings. Then open Notifications. Set notifications to Don't allow sites to send notifications. This stops most pop-up requests instantly. Now check the allowed list and remove any sites you don't recognize or trust. Also disable the option that lets sites ask to send notifications, so you won't get those pop-ups again. Some extensions can also trigger notifications, so disable anything unnecessary or suspicious. If pop-ups still appear, clear your browsing data and reset site permissions to remove leftover rules. And yeah, that's it. Once you apply these settings, Brave notification pop-ups should stop completely and your browsing will feel much cleaner.